Good morning, everybody. This video is done in order to explain the difference between quoted and reported speech for grade 9 students. The first type is quoted speech, or in other words, the direct speech. It repeats the exact words spoken. It's written between quotations and there is no change in the words. So on this type, the words are used exactly the same and written between quotations. For example, he says, "What time will you be home?" I said, "I don't know." "There's a fly in my soup," screamed Sarah. Tony said, "There's a horse outside the window." So as you see, all these examples are written within quotations just exactly as they are said, following the rules of the quoted speech. The next type is reported speech, or the indirect speech. It's used to talk about the past, so all the verbs will be changed into the past tense. Reporting verbs are used like say, tell, or ask. The word that is used to introduce the reported words, and no inverted commas or quotations are used. Look at these examples. He said, "I saw her." He said that he had seen her. He told her, "I am happy." He told her that he was happy. As you see, we use the word that in the reported speech, we use the verbs in the past tense, and we eliminate all the quotations from the initial sentences, following the rules of the reported speech. Or we can use another way, which is, he told her he was happy. In this sentence, the word that is omitted or cancelled. Now, when do we use say and tell? Use say when there is no indirect object in the sentence. For example, he said that he was tired. In this sentence, we have no indirect object. That's why we use the word say. Of course, in the past tense, said. But we should use tell when you say who was being spoken to. For example, he told me that he was tired. As we have the pronoun me as an indirect object, we should use the word tell and not say. Of course, both of them should be used in the past tense, said and told. Talk and speak are used to describe the action of communicating, so anything related to communication must be used with talk and speak. For example, he talked to us, or she was speaking on the telephone. And we can use talk and speak with about to refer to what was said. He talked to us about his parents. What's important here to know is the issue they talked about, which is his parents. So, to sum up, the indirect speech is also known as reported speech. So when you report someone else's statement in your own words without any change in the meaning of the statement, it is called indirect speech. Look at the following sentences. She says, "I'm a little bit nervous." In the indirect speech, she says that she is a little bit nervous. So in the first sentence, the reporter conveys the message of the girl using her actual words, using her exact words, "I'm a little bit nervous." But in the second sentence, the reporter conveys her message, but in his own words, without any change, of course, in the meaning. Thus, both direct and indirect speeches are two different ways of reporting a statement of a person. In other words, quoting a person using your own words is called an indirect speech, but quoting a person using his actual words is called a direct or quoted speech. That's all regarding the first part of this lesson. Please keep in touch to learn more about it in the next video.